welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to analyze gold, your weekly analysis for your next week gold trading. So I am in 4-hour gold chart. You can see price has broke to the 1900 level in last week and continue to the downside is the down pressure, is the sell pressure, is the more gold. So this is the Forex live mentions gold falls to the lowest since March. So that is the gold has sold off steadily for 2 weeks and today broke to the June lows to the worst level since March 14th. That's the Forex live mention gold has fallen to the lowest since March. So that is the 1900 level is the psychologically level in gold and it has broke to the last week downside. So now 1889 is the current level. So I am in this line chart 4 hours. So I will expect next week you can see this support can be resistant in next week and this is the also best support levels to sell gold again in next week. So this is the line chart for your clear picture. So 2 levels in this I am expecting next week. This is the first level 1905, 1913 level. Price can be retracement to like this and sell to the again sell off. So that is the first level and next I am hoping this 1913 level and again sell off to the downside. So that is I will expecting next week gold. So I am going to the candlestick chart again. I am 4-hour chart. This is the technically I am seeing this type of picture next week. So I will like to move the economic data what we'll have on next week. So last week retail sales US dollar that has been a good positive for US dollar last week. You can see the retail sales last week 15th Tuesday it has been big positive figure for that is the retail sales, core retail sales and retail sales monthly positive for US dollar. That is the reason for dollar demand continue to last week. So also 5%, 5.5 is the current interest rate in US dollar. Fed American Central Bank is currently have aggressive interest rate and it will continue hawkish is the dollar demand reason. So next week what is the economic data you should forecast if you are trading US dollar, if you are trading gold. So next week August 23rd Wednesday it has the manufacturing PMI services PMI figure. This is the volatile economic data. You will touch with this economic data if you are trading gold. So that is the next week economic event. So I would like to move the Fed Watch Tool website. That is the 89% probability the interest rate pause in September FOMC meeting. So that is the this website is the also important if we are trading US dollar figure. That is the 5.5% interest rate is currently US dollar maintain Fed's current interest rate that they probability to 89% to interest rate hold in September FOMC meeting. So dollar demand is the more, so I will expecting dollar not weakness in next week also and technically I am expecting this is the pattern is continuing this trend line. Technically this is the trend line. It can be retracement next week, not trend to the upside. I expecting retracement to these 2 levels. So that I have mentioned these 2 levels. So I am going to the line chart again. This is the 2 levels. This is the first support level. This support can be resistance in here. That's my first opinion. This left side support can be resistance in here 1896 level, and next this is the strong support, and this support is my second level to sell off. This 1906 level, it can be also resistance in to sell gold again. So two levels to expect this. The left side support, you can see this is the strong support, and also you can see this support is also strong. So support can be resistance. So simple technical theory, it's you have sell opportunity again next week, and wait to the retracement to these two levels is important. So that's the next week gold trading. So my Telegram link is below. You can get the profitable gold trading, so you can join with it and get the money management well, risk management well, get the trade from the smaller time frame confirmations. So thank you.